Look at them big old feet. Look at him.
Is he out? Oh, he's out.
That's cool.
Oh, he's so cute.
He's upright.
He's like, get me out of here. Oh my gosh.
He's
That's
stuck.
cool. No, he's not
No,
stuck.
he's
He's
not
out. Oh, he's got a little leg stuck. It's alright. He'll free himself. My goodness.
Look at that nasty stuff in there. That's just poop.
Mama, Goosey.
His foot's back there in the back. And it's been around. There you go.
There he's out. Here I am. That is so cute. Oh my gosh.
Get him out. Get him out.
No, you can't take him out. You gotta let him dry off in there. Gosh, I can't believe all that was in that little egg. Look how big he is.
I know.
Is he okay?
Trying to learn to stand up.
Wow.
Oh,
It's
he
going
got
to.
his beak stuck in his goo.
He'll be alright.